cleaning tool called Thank You and I Love You, so that works.
And that's a major cleaning tool?
Yes.
I love you, thank you, please forgive me, and I'm sorry.
Yes.
And those 4 statements will release you from whatever's going on so you can be silent and empty.
Yes. Well, you don't have to be silent, but it's the next step to get you to the inspiration. Yeah.
And do you clean everything?
I do.
You clean everything?
Yeah. So like now I'm cleaning with this questioning going on. Yeah.
And you're cleaning it because?
I want to be free. It's all about freedom.
Freedom of judgments, opinions.
Yeah.
You want to be free.
I want to be free. So I can be free at last, and so I can be inspired by divinity.
So let me ask you, because I think sometimes people are confused about this. If they have pain or trouble in their life, and they clean it, and it's still there, sometimes they say, what happened? It didn't work. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, what happens is that divinity can take only so much data off. And then what happens is that you have to do the cleaning again and again and again. It's a lifetime cleaning method.
It's lifetime, it's not instantaneous.
Yeah.
It's lifetime.
Yeah.
And when you clean, I'm asking you, you're severing the tie between you and the person, your own tie, your own memory about what's going on that's causing that problem, and you're giving it to the divine.
Yeah.
You're giving it to the divine.
That's how simple it is.
That's how simple. And it may take many
years.
Years.
Yeah. For me, I do the cleaning, but I'm not looking for answers. It just comes. So whatever answer the divinity will provide for me, I will get that answer.
Transmutation is the
key. Yeah.
Transmutation, where it changes all that data
to pure light.
To pure light.
And then what happens is then it goes to pure light and then to inspiration.
When you clean on what's going on in you, how does that impact everybody else?
Well, it comes off of everybody else. So whatever comes off of me will come off of the universe.
So if you're cleaning stuff in you, you're also cleaning everybody else.
Yes.
There's nothing outside yourself.
Yes.
Can you say any more about that?
Well, if I do, I'm going to be thinking,
So, Ihaleakala, many people resist the 2 phrases. They don't have trouble with I love you, thank you. They have trouble with I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Only because you have trouble with that. It's because we have problems with that.
There is an atonement in those phrases, right? You're saying to divinity.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. For being in the way of that love.
Yeah. We're 100% responsible for our memories. 100%. So whatever comes up of us, wonderfully comes up of everybody else.